Hi everyone, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. For 2 decades, I have been creating thousands and lakhs of data engineers with my step-by-step classes. In this particular short demo video, we are going to learn more about my practical step-by-step very useful data engineering course. Let's get into the details. Come on, let's start now. Let's understand what is data engineer, what we do as a data engineer, and what exactly we are going to do at our job place, how to get certified, where to start, how to proceed for getting ready into the job market, how to face interviews. Let's get started with all these details now. Here we go. Let's understand the master program of Azure Data Engineering with AI and my real-time projects for this particular course. Let's get into it now carefully. Here we go. What is database? Yes, to understand what data engineer means, let's start with database first. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, very easy, straightforward, and very easily structured, neatly structured. There are two types of databases. Number one, OLTP, online transaction processing database. This database is used to store live data, real-time data like a live cricket match, live online banking, live online reservations, or your Amazon, Flipkart orders, anything live OLTP. The second one is more important for us, data warehouse. As a data engineer, we are into the second room called data warehouse. In data warehousing activities, we are going to work with huge volumes of data. We are going to handle huge volumes of data, mostly historical inactive data. You log into your bank account, the recent transactions are OLTP, the old transaction data would be the warehouse. As a data engineer, we are into this warehouse. So who exactly data engineer is in IT industry? Yes, a data engineer is a professional who design, build, manage and optimize the data pipelines and cloud computing systems with big data and analytics. In my classes, I'm going to take care of all these with 100% hands-on. Let's get into more details about it. As a data engineer, you see my screen, we are into something called ETL, extract, transform and load. As a data engineer, we are supposed to extract data from wide variety of sources, perform transformations, mashup activities, finally load the data into any destination, preferably data warehouse. In our Azure Data Engineering course, we are going to have good number of data warehouse types. Yes, there are more number of warehouse types that we need to learn in our resume. In this course, I will be teaching you from scratch Azure SQL, Azure ETL and Warehouse, Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse, Databricks, Data Lake, IoT, Event Hubs, Key Vault, Stream Analytics, Insights, Warehouse, Logic Apps, Functions, Purview, Spark SQL, PySpark, Lambda and Git, Git configurations for DevOps and CI/CD pipelines. Further, in my Azure Data Engineering course, I will be helping you, guiding you step by step on Fabric Cloud introduction, Fabric Cloud migrations and Fabric Cloud comparisons with Azure Cloud towards data engineering. Further, my course includes complete hands-on labs with scenarios and good number of real-time projects. What more you are waiting for? Let's meet live for a demo class. Let's meet live to understand more about my beautiful curated curriculum. There are good number of reasons to choose my classes over others. Step-by-step classes and in-depth examples with neat detailed notes for every chapter, every concept. Yes, I can make you a data engineer. You may be from any background. You are with me. I'm here to guide you step by step. Here are the detailed concept list on my screen. A starter, or experienced developers or administrators, are you into IT or non-IT professional, anything, anyone, everyone, this is my complete step-by-step detailed notes on my screen now. There are total of 24 chapters we need to learn on first module SQL. Of course, you are aware of SQL, you can skip it. You can step directly into data engineer. And in core data engineering, we are going to have 3 modules. Azure Data Factory and Synapse module, 24 concepts. And Azure Databricks with AI, 24 concepts. And Azure Data Lake with IoT and CI/CD integrations, 18 plus concepts. Additionally, we have Fabric and cloud migration activities that needs very much for your resume. Yes, your resume needs all these concepts. Trust me, I am here to guide you step by step with concept-wise FAQs, scenario-based questions and answers, project FAQs and project solutions. In your resume, you need to include good number of projects. Your interviewer asks you what you did in your project, right? Or what are the challenges you faced in your project? Or what kind of do's and don'ts you implement in your project? Or why you did this, why you did that, etc. kind of questions. Yes, we are going to handle all these things step by step in my beautiful classes. Let's meet live for a demo class. Let's understand more about the course. Either you may opt for live online or self-paced videos or in-house classroom in our Hyderabad facility. I am here for you. I am ready to guide you step by step. Thank you so much and see you there in my live classes. Or I'll meet you there in my video classes with the step-by-step guidance. Choice is yours. Any mode you consider, same content, same curriculum and same care. Thank you so much and see you there. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.